Have you ever wondered how pistachio nuts go from tiny seeds to the delicious, crunchy snack you love? This little green nut has an incredible journey spanning thousands of years of history, intricate farming techniques, and high-tech processing before it reaches your hands. In this Lord Gizmo episode, we'll uncover the fascinating story of pistachios, from their ancient origins to planting, growing, harvesting, and processing. Let's dive in. Pistachio nuts are a true delight, loved for their unique flavor and satisfying crunch. These vibrant green kernels, encased in beige shells, have a way of turning any ordinary moment into a special treat. Their versatility in the kitchen is impressive. You can find them in everything from simple snacks to sophisticated gourmet dishes. Whether enjoyed straight out of the shell, mixed into a salad, or ground into a flavorful paste, pistachios bring a distinctive taste and texture that's hard to beat. Pistachios have a fascinating life cycle that begins in regions with arid climates and continues through meticulous farming practices. These nuts are celebrated for their nutritional benefits as much as for their culinary uses. High in protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins, pistachios are a powerhouse of nutrients packed into a small, tasty package. They offer a wholesome snack option that appeals to health-conscious consumers without compromising on taste. One interesting aspect of pistachios is their natural shell split, signaling their readiness for harvest. This characteristic makes them easy to enjoy, whether you're cracking them open by hand or using them as an ingredient in a dish. Pistachios also hold a special place in various cultural traditions, often seen in festive recipes and special occasions. Their journey from farm to table is a testament to the dedication of the farmers and processors who ensure these nuts reach us in perfect condition. Whether you're munching on a handful during a busy day or incorporating them into a complex recipe, pistachios never fail to add a touch of elegance and flavor. Pistachios have a long and storied past, with roots tracing back to the ancient civilizations of the Middle East. These nuts have been cultivated for thousands of years and were cherished by the Babylonians and Persians. They were often regarded as symbols of prosperity and health, making them popular gifts for royalty and dignitaries. With the expansion of trade routes, pistachios journeyed beyond their native lands. They found their way to Europe and Asia, captivating the palates of diverse cultures along the way. In the 19th century, pistachios made their debut in the United States, brought by immigrants who cherished the nut's unique flavor and nutritional benefits. Interestingly, pistachios were once dyed red to cover imperfections on their shells and to attract attention in stores. This practice has largely faded with advances in harvesting and processing techniques, allowing the natural beauty of pistachios to shine through. Today, pistachios are a global commodity, grown in various parts of the world, including California, which has become a significant producer. Their unique flavor and rich history continue to captivate people across the globe, making them a beloved snack and ingredient in many culinary traditions. Pistachio trees begin their journey in carefully selected locations known for their suitable climate conditions, such as arid regions with hot summers and cool winters. The process starts with choosing well-drained, sandy loam soil, which is crucial for the tree's health and growth. Before planting, soil testing is conducted to assess nutrient levels and pH balance. Necessary amendments are made to optimize the environment for the young trees. Seedlings or grafted trees are planted in orchards, with adequate spacing to ensure sufficient sunlight and air circulation. Proper spacing is vital as it helps in reducing the risk of diseases and pests, promoting healthier and more robust trees. Once planted, the trees require consistent care, which includes irrigation, pruning, and monitoring for any signs of disease. Water management is essential in pistachio farming. Although pistachio trees are drought-tolerant, they require regular watering, especially during the initial years. Efficient irrigation systems, such as drip irrigation, are often employed to deliver water directly to the root zones, minimizing waste and ensuring optimal growth conditions. Fertilization is another key aspect of cultivating pistachios. Farmers use balanced fertilizers to provide essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which support the tree's development and nut production. Regular soil and leaf testing help in adjusting the fertilization program according to the tree's needs. Pest and disease control is crucial for maintaining healthy pistachio orchards. Integrated pest management (IPM) strategies are commonly used, combining biological, cultural, and chemical methods to manage pests while minimizing environmental impact. This approach helps in maintaining the ecological balance and ensuring the long-term sustainability of the orchards. Overall, the early stages of planting and seeding are foundational to the success of pistachio cultivation, requiring careful planning and ongoing attention to detail. As pistachio trees mature, they enter the productive phase, typically around 5 to 7 years after planting. These trees require consistent care and attention to ensure optimal growth and nut yield. Regular pruning helps maintain tree structure, allowing sunlight and air to penetrate the canopy, which is essential for nut development and disease prevention. Water management continues to be crucial, especially during the growing season. Adequate irrigation ensures that the trees remain hydrated, promoting healthy growth and nut formation. Farmers also monitor soil moisture levels to avoid over- or underwatering, both of which can negatively impact nut quality. The pistachio nuts develop in clusters, initially encased in a soft green hull that eventually hardens and splits open, revealing the shell inside. This process, known as dehiscence, is a key indicator that the nuts are approaching maturity. Monitoring the timing of hull split is essential to determine the optimal harvest window. Harvesting typically occurs from late August to early October. To collect the nuts, mechanical shakers are used to gently shake the trees, causing the ripe nuts to fall to the ground or onto catching frames. This method ensures that the nuts are collected efficiently without damaging the trees. Once harvested, the nuts are quickly transported to processing facilities to prevent spoilage. Immediate processing helps maintain the quality and flavor of the pistachios. The harvested nuts go through an initial cleaning to remove debris and any remaining hulls before further processing steps begin. Throughout the growing and harvesting stages, careful management practices are employed to maximize yield and ensure that the pistachios meet high-quality standards. The combination of traditional agricultural techniques and modern technology plays a vital role in producing the delicious and nutritious pistachios enjoyed worldwide. Once the pistachios arrive at the processing facilities, the first step is to clean and sort the nuts. They go through a series of water baths and mechanical cleaners to remove any remaining dirt, debris, and outer hulls. The nuts are then sorted based on size, color, and quality using advanced optical sorting machines, ensuring that only the best pistachios move forward in the production line. Next, the pistachios are dried to reduce their moisture content, which is crucial for maintaining their shelf life and preventing mold growth. The drying process involves controlled temperature settings to ensure that the nuts do not lose their natural flavor or nutritional value. After drying, the pistachios may be roasted. Roasting enhances the flavor and gives the nuts a crunchy texture. Depending on consumer preferences, they can be roasted with or without salt, or even seasoned with various spices for a unique taste. Following roasting, the pistachios undergo additional sorting to remove any nuts that did not open naturally during roasting. This step ensures uniformity in the final product. The nuts are then graded based on their quality, with the highest grades reserved for direct consumer sales and lower grades used for processed products like pistachio butter or pistachio-flavored snacks. Packaging is the final step in the production process. The pistachios are packed in airtight containers or bags to preserve their freshness and flavor. Packaging may also include vacuum sealing or the use of nitrogen flush to extend shelf life further. Each package is labeled with essential information, such as the nutritional content and best buy date, before being distributed to retailers worldwide. Once the pistachios reach the processing facilities, they undergo a thorough cleaning process. The nuts pass through water baths and mechanical cleaners to eliminate any residual dirt, debris, and hulls. Advanced optical sorting machines then classify the pistachios by size, color, and quality, ensuring consistency in the final product. The next step is drying the pistachios to reduce moisture content, crucial for preventing mold growth and extending shelf life. Controlled temperature settings are used to preserve the nut's natural flavor and nutritional value. Following drying, the pistachios may be roasted to enhance their taste and texture. Depending on consumer preferences, they can be roasted with or without salt, or seasoned with a variety of spices. After roasting, another round of sorting takes place to remove any pistachios that did not open naturally. This step ensures uniformity in the final product. The pistachios are then graded according to quality. High-grade nuts are reserved for direct consumer sales, while lower-grade nuts may be used in products like pistachio butter or flavored snacks. The packaging process involves sealing the pistachios in airtight containers or bags to maintain freshness. Techniques such as vacuum sealing or nitrogen flushing are often employed to extend the shelf life further. Each package is labeled with essential information, including nutritional content and a best buy date, before the products are shipped to retailers. Throughout these steps, rigorous quality control measures are in place to ensure that the pistachios meet high standards, providing consumers with a delicious and healthy snack option. Pistachios are a powerhouse of nutrition, offering an impressive array of health benefits. Rich in protein, they provide an excellent plant-based option for those looking to increase their protein intake. Additionally, pistachios are loaded with healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which are known to support heart health by reducing bad cholesterol levels. These nuts are also a fantastic source of dietary fiber, promoting good digestion and helping to maintain a healthy weight by creating a feeling of fullness. Pistachios are abundant in essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin B6, which is vital for brain health and the production of neurotransmitters. Thiamine, or vitamin B1, helps convert food into energy, and copper plays a crucial role in iron absorption and red blood cell formation. The antioxidant properties of pistachios can aid in combating oxidative stress, thereby protecting cells from damage and potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases. In terms of culinary uses, pistachios are incredibly versatile. They can be enjoyed on their own, as a convenient and nutritious snack, or incorporated into a variety of dishes. Sprinkle them over salads for added crunch. Blend them into smoothies for a nutrient boost, or use them as a topping for yogurt and oatmeal. Pistachios can also be ground into nut butter, offering a delightful alternative to traditional peanut or almond butter. In baking, they add a unique flavor and texture to cookies, cakes, and other desserts. Overall, the inclusion of pistachios in daily meals not only enhances flavor, but also contributes significantly to overall health and wellness. Pistachio nuts, from their early stages in carefully selected orchards to their final appearance on our tables, showcase a remarkable journey that blends traditional farming practices with modern technology. The meticulous process of planting, growing, harvesting, and processing ensures that these nuts reach consumers in their best possible condition, maintaining their unique flavor and nutritional benefits. Throughout their journey, pistachios undergo various stages of care, from precise irrigation and fertilization to advanced sorting and packaging methods. This attention to detail not only maximizes yield, but also ensures the high quality of the final product, providing consumers with a delicious and nutritious snack. Pistachios are celebrated not only for their delightful taste and crunchy texture, but also for their impressive health benefits. Rich in protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins and minerals, they are a versatile addition to any diet, offering both culinary flexibility and nutritional value. Whether enjoyed on their own, as part of a dish, or in various processed forms, pistachios continue to be a popular choice among health-conscious individuals and culinary enthusiasts alike. Incorporating pistachios into your diet is a simple yet effective way to boost your overall health while enjoying a flavorful snack. Their journey from farm to table exemplifies the dedication and expertise required to bring these exceptional nuts to consumers worldwide. And there you have it, the incredible journey of pistachios from ancient times to your snack bowl. Whether you enjoy them roasted, salted, or in desserts, pistachios are truly a remarkable nut with a rich history and fascinating cultivation process. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more amazing food stories. What's your favorite way to enjoy pistachios? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.